Most people think the Windows registry is dangerous. But what if I tell you Windows can't even start without it? In this video, I will explain what the Windows registry really is, how it works, and why you should understand it before fixing Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to Infotrix. If you have ever heard, don't touch the registry, it will break your PC. You are not alone. Today, I will explain the Windows registry in the simplest way possible. No technical confusion, beginner friendly, so let's begin. The Windows registry is a central database where Windows stores, that is, system settings, user preferences, hardware configurations, and software behaviors. Think of it like Windows brain or control center. Let's go for a simple example for this simple analogy. Imagine Windows as a city. The registry is the rule book that tells everything how to work. Traffic rules, building plans, power systems. If rules are correct, the city runs smoothly. If rules are damaged, problems start. The registry is organized into folders called keys and values inside them. H key local machine. This is the system-wide settings. Then H key current user. This is your personal settings. H key classes root, file types and apps. H key users. All user accounts are here. H key current config. All current hardware setup is here. You don't need to memorize this now. Just understand what they control. The registry controls things like how Windows boots, how apps start, system security rules, Windows feature on or off, hardware behavior. That's why small changes can fix big problems. The registry isn't dangerous. The dangerous is wrong instructions. Problems happen when people delete random keys, use unsafe registry files, follow outdated tutorials. That's why backup comes first, always. Yes, if done correctly. Professionals use registry edits every day. The key is backup first, change only specific values, restart after edits. Use Registry Fix when Windows settings are grayed out, features are disabled, Explorer crashes, updated fail. If Windows tools fail, the registry is often the last solution. If you don't understand the change, don't touch registry. If no backup exists, if instructions aren't trusted. In the next video, I will show you how to safely backup and restore the registry. A must-watch before any fixing. If this explains helped you, hit like, subscribe to Infotrix for safe Windows fixes. Comment below, have you ever been afraid of the registry?